Getting TikTok followers is one of the easiest social media handle that you can get followers fast. Other handle like YouTube, you have to struggle a lot before you can get followers, unless you are strategic enough to get your subscribers easily for you to get audience. But for TikTok, it's somehow easy because TikTok is one of the most channel that has gone viral that people are easily going because at times even if you don't have data you can use TikTok Lite. But on YouTube without data it's very hard to access it because you cannot watch a video without data. So I've discovered that one of my friend was asking me how did I get my followers, that I got up to 1 point something K followers. Is it just by posting that I got all of them? I told my friend that I didn't just get it by word by posting much video because if you check my like, I don't have much like, but there are followers there. He asked me if I got the followers by buying it or did I buy the followers. I told her that I did not buy any followers because me I don't like buying followers because when you buy followers it's very your audience will reduce because they will not be active because since you buy them they cannot be active, they already collected your money and okay, so they only follow you. Some of them say might unfollow you for some days. So I want to share with you this particular strategy that helped me to get like 1K followers on my TikTok account. On this particular account, you can see there is 1.2K followers, and I got it like 1 month. It's not, I think either 1 month or more than, but I think something of 4 weeks plus. So I got these subscribers just by joining other people's life. Someone might be asking me, what do I mean by joining other people's life? Joining someone's life as a guest will be one of the ways you can get subscribers, one of the ways you can get audience and engagement. Because when you join a live that attracts viewers, when people see you as one of the guests in that live, when they follow you, they will start to watch some of your videos because they love what you are doing and they love let me say the day that they saw you on that particular live was so impressive to them, so they decided to follow you. And for another thing, you discover that they will start to follow you and watch your videos. So me, when I started getting these viewers was when we are doing follow for follow back. Yes, when at times we see someone who has gone viral, the person will do a video and say comment this particular way. I think then boot to boot back or whatever, boot for boot or whatever. We did it then. And I was one of the people that joined them because I was someone that is curious of getting followers or audience in any social media and I am. I like getting audience. So I started to join those people and be typing boot for boot or boot whatever. But doing all these things is one of the things that helped me get my followers fast. And again, the most way that helped me to get is by joining live. That is the particular one I'm talking about. I will join a live and I've discovered that that particular live I joined, that after the live ended, I will get like, let me say 30 followers on one particular live. There's this day I got like 50 followers on one particular live. And 100%, let me say 90% of my subscribers is from live video. 90% of my followers is from live video. It's from me joining live as a guest because when you're not up to 1K subscribers or 1K followers, you cannot join a live. So since you cannot join live, you can join other people as a guest. And while you join them as a guest, from there, other people that sees you might love to watch some of videos and decide to follow you. From follow you, when you reach like 1K followers, because many people are envious of that particular followers because many people think that immediately you reach for 1K followers, you can start making money. You can even make money without having up to 1K followers. All you need is that 1K followers just to allow you to go live on your own without joining as a guest. But you can get followers even without you having up to 1K followers. I did a video about it. Yes, this one I was talking about YouTube, but it's applicable to your social media because when you don't have up to 1K followers, you can just sell products, sell this micro products or whatever GC products. You can sell it on your TikTok account even if you don't have up to 1K followers. As far as you have people that would like to buy from you, yeah, you are good to go. So I'm only share this because if you join people's live, you can just comment and people from there can, even if you are not as a guest, but you discover in the comment section that many people are commenting all this boot to boot follow back. But to me, I don't advise you to comment follow because you will be affecting that particular person's live video, because when you type follow back, TikTok might flag that particular TikTok account. So I will advise you to get it this particular legit way. It's very legit. Don't buy followers, or don't go and buy subscribers or followers for your social media handles. Just calm down and wait for it. If you cannot get it by joining live, you can get it through other means, but by giving consistency and putting the particular strategy work that you need to put. Thank you. I believe you heard enough from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow if you are watching from TikTok, YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and share it to more audience. Thank you.